Happy Monday, guys. So I just got finished up with my trading session for the day. I ended up taking one trade on NQ today. Ended up making around $357 in 20 of my PA Apex accounts. In total, making just over $7,000 in profits today. So if you guys don't know, I trade live Monday through Friday inside my private group. I was able to take this trade live. So that being said, let's go and roll the replay from the trade I took this morning.
Okay, what's up, guys? Morning. Let's take a peek here real quick. Obviously, Friday we had a big sell-off, and we continue to drop overnight as well. We're currently sitting under yesterday's lows. Too much support. We're kind of just breaking this last area. We have this area over here, so we'll see if we hold yesterday's lows under it or not. That'll be pretty important, I think. Take a look at this opening range here. Okay, we might get a setup here. Gotta be ready. Okay, so looks like yes, didn't break as well. Q broke through the range here. Okay, so yeah, we're getting a pullback here. The DMI looks pretty good actually for sellers. See if they step back in and we could enter. See how this candle closes. Okay, no confirmation just yet. All right, looks like it's trying to hold this. So in this case, you'll be looking for it to break out again and retest again. Well, yes, it's trying to break out. I never got confirmation, so I had to stay out of it. Got NQ coming up on it. All right, NQ, come on, baby. Yeah, let's see if we get any pullback here. Keep in mind, ES just hit yesterday's lows, so this could be resistance, which might hold NQ back. All right, if this can hold, that would be ideal. Okay, we're getting a white candle now. Should be good to enter. All right, I'm long here. Stop's going at 161 or so. Okay, we're getting close here. I'm just gonna close this out, guys. We're close enough. Yeah, we just had a nice push up. I don't want to risk holding through another pullback, so I'm happy with that.
Okay, so as you guys saw, we had to wait some time for the setup to play out, but the first thing I did was I marked out the 15-minute opening range, which was this candle right here, and this should be actually be a little bit lower. But this candle right here, the high and the low, this is our opening range. Now, specifically on NQ, we initially kind of faked out right here. So we acted like we're going to go down, and then it immediately got bought up. Luckily, down here, we never got a setup for a trade. Okay, so if we look at like a 1 minute chart, for example, as you can see, we came down here, got this pullback, and then this candle was starting to look like potentially an entry candle, and then price got bought up immediately. So this was not a confirming candle. So anyways, from here, we kind of just chopped around. And if I go back to the 15-minute time frame, or let's go to a 5-minute time frame, actually, as we can see, when we're coming back up here, right, obviously we're chopping around, no trades, waiting for us to break the orb and retest it. Okay, so that's my strategy I like to use. And as you can see, when we broke out of the orb finally for the first time, right, check out the volume here. Very nice elevated volume on that push up, a nice bullish candle. This was confirmation to start looking for the entry, okay? Start looking for the pullback, start looking for the retest, since we're finally above this orb and we had nice volume on that candle. So now we go into the 1 minute time frame. As we can see, that was this push right here. Okay, got that strong push, good volume. Then we got this pullback here, retesting it, went just under it, and as you can see, we ended up getting a nice looking white candle right here. So this is using the Williams fix indicator, and this is a good indicator for seeing where the end of the pullback is. So once we go from green bars to gray, it signifies a white candle right here. And as you can see, that next candle, once we close above that white candle, right, I entered right here and wrote it up for just under a 1.5 risk reward. I originally had my take profit right here and my stop below the lows. I ended up taking profit a little bit sooner, actually literally right on this high. So my trade looked like this technically. So it was technically around a 1.3, might have been a little bit lower. The main reason I took this off a little bit early was if we look at ES during this time, this is at 9:41 my time. So if I go to ES 9:40, as you can see, we're right at yesterday's lows. So I figured this could be pretty good resistance, which it ended up being, but we eventually broke out of it. So pretty happy with the patience, the execution today. But yeah, that was my trade, just trading the orb retest. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys had a good trading day yourself, but that's how I ended up making the $7,000 in profit on my PA Apex accounts. If you guys have been following along, I started these accounts last Monday at 50,000 obviously, and now they're at 51. So making decent progress so far. If you guys want to keep updated with these accounts, be sure to watch my future videos on this channel. Anyways, guys, real quick before you guys go, I want to let you know that I am looking for a few more motivated people who are committed to becoming a profitable day trader inside my private group. If you guys want to join me on those live sessions every single day, that's only available inside my private group. Inside of here, I'll personally teach you my strategy for 30 days. I'll personally be reviewing your trades, and I'll even be trading live with you every day on Zoom, like you just saw, and you get lifetime access to this, okay? So this group has no monthly fees or anything like that. So if you guys are interested in joining the private group, all you have to do is go over to my Instagram account. That'll be the first link in the description below this video. DM me the word trading on my Instagram account, and I'll send you all the details. I just have a few questions to make sure you'd be a good fit to join us in there. And then I'll send you all the details from there. So anyways, guys, if you're interested, again, first link in the description below, DM me the word trading, and I look forward to speaking with you. That being said, guys, as always, hope you had a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow morning for another trading session.